draw tracking stitch. With this tool, we can join each other canvas stitches as a tracking stitch. Here, we have one canvas object. Select the canvas, and press N shortcut key for turn on reshape mode. Now, if we want to change the joint of this canvas, turn on reshape mode by pressing N shortcut key, and turn on draw tracking stitch button. Now, here we will draw the tracking stitches. If we want to draw tracking stitches in opposite direction, so we will draw tracking stitches with Shift key. Now, we will add repeat count in canvas. Select the canvas, and open canvas parameter. Here, we will add 9 repeat count. Now, we will play the machine by pressing the Home shortcut key. Here, you can see that all canvas stitches repeat 9 times. Here, you can see that the tracking stitches will repeat only a single time. If we add a repeat count to the canvas, and use the tracking stitch to join the canvas, then the tracking stitches will play single time only.